Hi, I'm Richard Flisher. I'm Managing Director here at CPMG and the leader in the business in the energy and infrastructure sector. This is where I've been responsible for some of our most significant projects. The energy and infrastructure sectors are at the heart of the UK's transition to net zero. Our Nottingham office sits in a region which, thanks to its history of coal-fired power stations, has excellent access to the national grid, meaning that it will likely play a pivotal role in our new energy future. CPMG has the cross-sector knowledge, office network and large-scale project experience to effectively support projects in this sector, both regionally and nationally. Sustainability is at the core of everything we do. We've been carbon neutral since 2017 and have set a goal to achieve net zero by 2040. We've just published our second annual report on our progress towards this goal. We put a lot into calculating our carbon usage, just as we do into calculating carbon usage in our designs. We integrate sustainable building solutions, energy efficient systems and low carbon materials to ensure that the infrastructure we design today is future ready. Energy and infrastructure projects are hugely challenging from an engineering perspective and often have significant impacts on local people and their environment. CPMG can support on these projects through our low energy sustainable design approach, which minimises both visual and environmental impact, and through our expertise and experience in community and stakeholder engagement. We enjoy working with contractors and engineers who are leaders in the field and have developed a close working relationship with a number of organisations such as Chinook Sciences, a Nottingham-based technology and equipment provider. Our work has encompassed supporting Chinook's engineers in visualising and marketing their process designs and obtaining planning consents for major Chinook-sponsored energy and infrastructure projects, both in the UK and abroad. Another project that sits hidden away on the Greenwich Peninsula in London is Alcatel Submarine Networks. This is a world-leading undersea fibre optic cable electronics manufacturer. Alcatel's products sit on ocean floors across the world, boosting internet signals for companies like Google and Amazon, with over 20 such routes across the North Atlantic alone. CPMG has been working to reimagine Alcatel's facilities, transforming both office spaces and clean room manufacturing areas and adding a focal cafe space. The project is part of a wider master plan that sees the delivery of hundreds of homes on surplus Alcatel land. Yes, they are technically focused, as we often find our clients to be, and what they do is fantastic, creating a better environment for us all through clean air, natural light and energy efficiency. Our role is to promote human-centric design, creating spaces and buildings that are not only sustainable, but also intuitive, accessible, supportive of people's needs and adaptable for future generations. As we move towards net zero, our infrastructure and buildings are undergoing massive change with renewable energy integration and the off-site manufacture of buildings coming to the fore. CPMG is at the forefront of both designing Pathfinder sustainable schools for the Department for Education and cutting-edge industrial projects like Langerort's Explore facility near Worksop. This is where complex building system components are safely and responsibly manufactured and assembled in a controlled factory environment. We need local people to believe that infrastructure development is not just good for the country, but also good for them as individuals, A human-centric design approach can address their concerns at a local and personal level. Designs must be adaptable, sustainable and supportive of human needs, as well as technologically advanced. Future-proofing our built environment is critical. Whether it's renewable and low-carbon energy, transport hubs or industrial facilities, the spaces we design today must be adaptable, efficient and sustainable. At CPMG, we're committed to shaping the future of energy and infrastructure with innovative, responsible and forward-thinking design solutions. If you'd like any further information, please visit our website and get in touch.